close grip push-up. And I want you to start these out with your hands elevated. So today I have my bench again. We're gonna take, and you're making a diamond or kind of a triangle, somewhere between a diamond and a triangle with your hands as you do these. So start with your hands on the bench in that triangle position or diamond position. Kick your feet out behind you and keep a straight line from your shoulders down through your ankles. And as you go down, you're bringing your elbows in and chest is going right to your hands. So it's almost like your chest is literally gonna come down to the bench right in the middle of that triangle for you. Elbows stay tucked in nice and tight, and the rest of your body stays really tight. You're gonna feel that burn, even elevated. You're gonna feel that burn in the back of your arms. Now, you can also do these from your knees if you'd like. So you can come on down here to the ground. Knees bent, hands are in that diamond or tricep or that triangle position. Elbows tuck into your body and push back up. The important thing here is you've got that straight line. You're staying nice and tight as you go. There. And if you're very advanced, you can go to your feet with these. Keep here. They're going to be really difficult though with your hands close together like that. So you're going to fight to keep your elbows in tight and really feel that through your tricep. Okay, so those are tricep push-ups.